One and another episode of one word substitution. This is the part of the special episode. Evening prayer in church. Evening prayer in church. This is called Vespers. 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 ये एक नाउन है. इसे हिंदी में कहा जाता है गिरजाघर में सायंकाल की प्रार्थना. A person who is long experienced or practiced in an activity. A person who is long experienced or practiced in an activity. This is called veteran. 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 This is a noun. हिंदी में इसे अनुभवी कहा जाता है. The area near or surrounding a particular place. This is called vicinity. 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 This is a noun. हिंदी में इसे आस-पास कहा जाता है. Person who portrays bad character roles in cinema. Person who portrays bad character roles in cinema. This is called villain. 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 This is a noun. हिंदी में इसे खलनायक कहा जाता है. To show or state that someone or something is not guilty of something. This is called vindicate. This is called vindicate. 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 This is a verb. हिंदी में इसे निर्दोष ठहराना कहा जाता है. One who is determined to take full revenge for wrongs done it to him. One who is determined to take full revenge for wrongs done to him. This is called vindictive. 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 This is an adjective. हिंदी में इसे प्रतिशोधी कहा जाता है. A person highly skilled. A person highly skilled in music. This is called virtuoso. 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 कला प्रवीण व्यक्ति. Of the disease or opinion extremely severe or harmful in its effect. This is called virulent. 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 This is an adjective. हिंदी में इसे विषैला कहा जाता है. One who can think about the future with imagination and wisdom. One who can think about the future with imagination and wisdom. He is called visionary. 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 This is an adjective. हिंदी में से काल्पनिक कहा जाता है. The cultivation of grapevines. The cultivation of grapevines. This is called viticulture. 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 ये एक नाउन है. इसे हिंदी में अंगूर की खेती कहा जाता है. Having a lively, attractive personality. Having a lively, attractive personality. This is called vivacious. 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 This is an adjective. हिंदी में इसे फुर्तीला, जोशपूर्ण कहा जाता है. A substance easily evaporated at normal temperature. This is called volatile. 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 This is an adjective. हिंदी में इसे परिवर्तनशील कहा जाता है. The faculty or power of using one's will. The faculty or power of using one's will. This is called volition. 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 This is a noun. हिंदी में इसे इच्छा शक्ति कहा जाता है. This is all about today's special episode of one word substitution. Thanks. Regards.